Hello guys, welcome to Foodie Hangout. Today I am making Paneer Chilli, one of the most popular and most ordered Indo-Chinese dishes in restaurants. Crispy paneer, a spicy glossy sauce and perfectly balanced flavors. This recipe is going to be absolutely restaurant style but super easy to make at home. And one question for you before we start, is it Paneer Chilli or Chilli Paneer? Tell me in the comment section. For Paneer Chilli, the first step is coating and frying the paneer. Take a bowl, add 200 grams of paneer. I have cut the paneer in a rectangle shape. If you want, you can cut in cubes also. Now add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. After adding corn flour, do not mix with your hands. Instead, gently toss the bowl like this so the paneer gets coated evenly. Once the paneer is coated, sprinkle a little water over it. Then immediately after that, add 1 more tablespoon of corn flour. Toss again in the same way. You will see that the paneer is now evenly and perfectly coated. This is all the coating you need before frying. Next, take a pan, add enough oil for frying. Allow the oil to heat well. Now carefully add the paneer cubes one by one into the oil. Maintain the flame on medium and fry it until it becomes light golden brown. Mix it lightly. It has turned a light golden brown. So remove the paneer and keep it aside. Next we will prepare the sauce. Heat a wok well. Once the wok is hot, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is heated, add 1 finely chopped onion, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger. Stir fry on high flame for 1 to 2 minutes. Now add half yellow bell pepper diced and half red bell pepper diced. Mix it well. Once the garlic and ginger are nicely sauteed, add a little hot water and mix it well. Now add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of green chilli sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, 2 green chilies finely chopped, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Now mix everything well. Add less salt as soya sauce is already salty. Now add half teaspoon of pepper and half teaspoon of sugar. Now saute it lightly. Now add the fried paneer. Add finely chopped spring onion white little, finely chopped coriander leaves and green spring onion finely chopped. Add half bowl of onion cut into petals and half bowl of diced capsicum. Mix everything together. At this point I am going to add little corn flour slurry and mix it well. So our paneer chilli is done. Garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves and spring onion greens to give you a nice crunch. Paneer chilli is ready to be served, nice and hot. And that's how you make this absolutely delicious paneer chilli at home. The soft and juicy paneer, coated in a spicy, flavorful and perfectly balanced sauce. And it's one of those recipes that brings restaurant style taste right into your kitchen while being simple and satisfying to prepare. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.